The NB Network with Dee's Sparta.
Hi, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag and Glossy Box. Let's see how these go. First, let's go into some information about Ipsy Glam bag. Okay, now the Ipsy Glam bag. This is the smaller of the three options that Ipsy offers. There's the Glam Bag Plus, and now they have their Glam X, which I will be opening and unboxing this month also. And this is the first month. First time ever that Ipsy's launched this. So I'm curious to see how that goes. But for the Ipsy Glam bag, now this bag is only $12 a month. That's a pretty good, okay, that's, but what do you get? Is it worth it? Well, they do promise a value of $50 or more. It comes with 5 deluxe size items. Sometimes there's some full size items in there. You do get to pick one item, and there's a beauty and skincare and favorite colors and favorite scents survey that you can take that will help customize the other items that they put in your Ipsy Glam bag. So that's a nice little feature. Now let's go into Glossy Box. Now the Glossy Box. This box is, you have 2 options when you sign up. You sign up with a commitment for a year and you only pay $18 each month. That's what I'm doing. And you also get, or you could just say, I'm just going to take it month to month and I don't know how long I want to keep it. So it's $21 if you do it that way. So those are 2 little options. It depends on how committed you are to this box. Glossy Box is known for its iconic pink box, but they do make some changes to sometimes go with the flow of a certain theme, and the boxes are always really cute. Now, this does contain a variety of 5 beauty and skincare items. They are usually deluxe size, sometimes a full size. So it's kind of like the Ipsy Glam bag in that essence, but they promise a value of $60 or more. So you do pay a little more, but they are promising a little more. So let's get into and let's open these boxes and bags. All right, now the first box we're going to open is the Glossy Box. This box is really cute. It is not their typical pink, but it's still pink. But it's set with the mixtape theme, which, at first I was like, how does that go with Valentine's Day? But it really does, because when growing up, what did people do? We made mixtapes and we gave it to the ones we love. This is, kind of like, oh, here's my playlist. We had mixtapes instead. Things were really different back then. And so I love the throwback to this. I remember my first Walkman and how much I loved just walking around with the music playing all the time. So this is just so nostalgic. Now when you open up the Glossy Box, they always have it real cute, and it's wrapped with a bow, and it's got cute paper, and the card tells you everything you need to know about these products. Well, not everything, but a lot of cool information. And the wrapping this kind of it's kind of mess, but let's get into what we've got. Now, the first 2 items are a set. It's a shampoo and conditioner. This is for, it's a strengthening shampoo and conditioner for hair. And it is called Pataue. That's what I'm thinking. Pataue. Now it's from Natura, and these are just the deluxe minis. These deluxe minis, the set is worth $8. You know what? This is supposed to help repair and strengthen and condition your hair. And I know my wife will really love trying these out. She's always trying to find a really good shampoo conditioner. So this is, I am kind of excited about because I want to see her, what she thinks about it. Now, another thing in here is from SYS Sis. And this is a moisturizer. It's a superfood for your skin, and it's made with prickly pears and probiotics. I can talk. Here it is. It's nice. It is another deluxe size sample. Now, this deluxe mini is $19.99. This is a prickly pear extra is in this cream is a perfect addition to daily skincare regime. Okay, what tell me? It's supposed to leave my skin smooth and hydrated. I have been so into finding a good, decent moisturizer and sleep mask and everything. This I'm curious about. I want to try it. I like, it smells really nice. Yeah. Now, the next thing we have in here is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is an eye shimmer, and it's in the color Coral Reef. Let me swatch this up for you. Wow, it is definitely powdery, but there, I kind of see it. Maybe a little bit better back here. It just goes on really nicely. I would use this also as a highlighter, Woo! I'm like putting it on my face. Okay, I'm a little weird. I know. Now, this shimmer powder is $15, and so this is a full size of it. I don't always use shimmer powders, but this color is what is attractive to me. I'm really liking. I want to try that out. Nia, what else have we got in here? This is Avant Skincare Hyaluronic Argan Oil Peony Sweet Almond. Okay, let's see here. Screw cap. Smells kind of nice. Moves thick. This is a scrub. I don't have to try it out. Just put it on my lip. Oh my gosh, my lips are warming up. It's like a warming massage oil. Weird. Oh, it tastes really good. This is a full size, and it's, wait for it, $71. I really like it though. I'm like licking it off. I'm sorry. It's a lip scrub, but I like it. It's weird, the warm sensation. Now I licked it off and all right, now we're going to open our Ipsy Glam bag. There were two versions of the actual bag itself, and I got the one that I really, really wanted, so I'm happy. I'll put a picture of the other one up here. Now, Ipsy Glam bag, it says Ipsy on the inside. It's got a nice, soft, satiny feel. It's just really cute bag, and I do love their bags. That is one of the things that Ipsy Glam bag comes with. You always get a really nice, you always get a bag, and usually it's pretty cute. Now, let's see here. I do have a card in here. It says send love. And the bag itself says sealed with a kiss, and there are these cute little lips. Cute, cute, cute. This card actually does tell me what's inside of it. Now, I don't have the price for the deluxe sample prices because Ipsy doesn't give it, and I couldn't find it. So I can go over what the full price would be if you got the items. Okay, now we have the Star Mint Glossy Balm from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. And this is a full-size item, and it's $10, and this is with organic peppermint. Oh, I could just smell this. It's like releases my headache. It reminds me of the peppermint oils, essential oils that I would use for my migraines. And yeah, I look forward to using that. And it also says you can use it on your cuticles to help soften hardened cuticles. That's curious. That's a little curious. Now, this next product is from Selah. I really enjoy a lot of their beauty products, and this one I am really interested in. This is a Seed to Skin Scrub Natural Grain Polish. Now, the full-size version is $33. Now, you can use this twice a week, and you just massage it in and rinse it off. And such a nice, beautiful scent, and it's really grainy. So when it says grain, it's grainy, and I think this would be nice just to get a nice exfoliating. Oops, I just grabbed my lens cleaner instead of makeup wipe. My poor lens cleaner. I'm gonna have to get that washed now. Got makeup goo on it. Okay, let's move on to another thing in here. Here is a Lip Slick Hydrating Lip Oil from Sophia Mabel. Now, this is the full size, and it's $19. It's supposed to hydrate your lips. Now, I am not a big fan of lip oils, but, you know, I have plenty. This one smells really good. This one is really a thick oil. Feels a little weird, but I think I might like it. I might just go for this. I don't know. You tell me. Should I? Do you like lip oil products? Do you find them helpful for your lips? Let me know. Okay. Now this next item, this is one that I did pick, and it's from YC Collection. It is their loose setting powder at number 117. Now, I had gotten this powder before when I had purchased it in another little bundle, add-on bundle through Ipsy sometime last year or so. But I got the wrong color. So I want to try it again, but with the right color. I do like trying different setting powders. It's, you know, a good setting powder is important. Now, this is Swarovski Morning Water Drop Cream. This is heavy on hydration but light on feel. This gel cream gives skinny, plump, dewy effect without feeling even a little bit greasy or sticky. It uses pearl fermented extract and kingsberry, a powerful antioxidant to moisturize, brighten, and strengthen skin. And you can also use this on your neck and your chest. This is supposed to be used like after your moisturizer. I'm not, sometimes I'm like, well, do I really need it? I don't think I would really need this, but I'm going to try it. I mean, why not? I got a sample of it. Let's figure it out. Let's see if I notice anything exciting, new, and good about it. We never know. We never know. I can't say, I can't give my view on it since I've never tried it. Anyway, let's just go in and now wrap things up, and I'll tell you about what kind of deal we got and what my real final thoughts are on these bags and box. Okay, now the Glossy Box. Now, when I really think about this, it had some nice products in it. I really loved the box, I think, more than what was inside of it. Does this mean that it wasn't any good? No. Right now, this is my first reaction. Now, if I use the products, my mind might change, and I do a roundup of all the boxes after a few months. Now, I do a roundup of boxes explaining after, like a half 6 months, this last 6 months, this is what I've been using and my thoughts on the boxes and if I really did get a value or not. But this is just that first reaction. And, I'm not like, but that was probably too loud. Sorry if you had your headset on. Anyway, but I do like it. And the value of this box total was $117.99. And I think that has to do mainly with the $71 lip scrub, which kind of erotically soothing and warming. I thought I was making fun of this scrub when I first thought it was coming, and now I'm like, once you put it on your lips, you're like, oh, maybe I can see why people like it. I still don't get the price. Now, my savings, now it depends on if you paid $21 for the box, and you saved $96.99. And if you paid $18, you saved $99.99. That's a lot of money that you save when you purchase the products this way, and you get to sample and see if you want to go and invest your money into something. So yeah, this was a good deal. Now let's wrap up and talk about Ipsy. Okay, now the Ipsy Glam bag. I think the bag is so cute. I'm going to use it. Sometimes, hold on, I got sound in the background and I apologize. Okay, as I was saying, thank you for your patience. The Ipsy Glam bag. I wish I had a better idea of the value of what was in this box. Now, in this bag, I should say. I do know that with the 2 full-size items in here, that there's at least $29 worth, which is a pretty good deal compared if you spend just the $12, and then you have the other little sample items, which, probably this might get up to $50. I think maybe just barely on the cusp of it, but yeah, I can see that. So yeah, I think I got a good deal. I think I have fun. Now, I don't get this every single month. I am on a every other month schedule because I don't want to get way too many sample items that I'm trying out. So I do like that I have been able to change up. Now, if I do change my mind and decide, hey, maybe I should try March anyway, then, I could just go in and before the end of this month, click on the site where it says to, change it up, change my subscription, which is really, really cool. I do like that. Okay, so do I like the Ipsy or the Glossy better this month? I can't say I like one over the other. I think they both kind of meh. They're both there. And yeah, I do like them. Now I do have a referral links for Glossy Box and for Ipsy. I will put my referral links down below. Also, please like this video. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, because I see most of the people watching my videos, you're not subscribers. What's up with that? So please subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Remember to always be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. I love you. Bye.